Look, there have been criticisms raised about FAZ, many of them directed to try to influence the observers. They want to depict it as an insidious, subversive force against the integrity of the Zimbabwe elections. We dismiss with contempt such allegations against FAZ. The reality is that Zimbabwe has got its own revolutionary tradition. We had to organize the people of Zimbabwe during the war. We had to have structures which would support the guerrillas as they were fighting, the freedom fighters as they were fighting. So those security structures are a real part of the body politic of the Zimbabwean population in rural areas and elsewhere. They are a carryover from the days when our people had to be vigilant to know who is the enemy and who is not the enemy. So these are structures which reflect the historical experience of the Zimbabwe people as they were fighting against a well-entrenched settler minority regime. We cannot expect Zimbabwean people to suddenly discard institutions and structures which were central for them to achieve their victory against colonial white settler racism. We have the American Revolution. It had its own minute men, those who were the guerrillas against the British in 1779. When the Americans wrote their constitution, they made it a law that any American must be allowed to carry a rifle because he was supposed to become a defender of the American Revolution. That's why there is a proliferation of rifles in America today. It is in the Constitution of America. And one of the most powerful institutions in American body politics is the National Rifle Association of America. Where does it owe its origins to? To the American War of Independence against Britain. Nobody makes an issue about the National Rifle Association of America. Even when now it spills over into mass shootings, everybody says gun possession is sanctity in the American Constitution. Why would they want to make an issue about institutions which Zimbabwe inherited from its war of liberation, and they selectively do not want to compare and condemn similar American institutions like the National Rifle Association of America? This is nothing other than to disarm the Zimbabwean people so that they can create conditions where they can infiltrate and try to undo the gains of the Zimbabwe revolution.